Hey, I'm Sudeep. In this video, we will explore the updateOne command in MongoDB, focusing on how to use set operator to modify specific fields in the document. Update operators in MongoDB. There are different field update operators in MongoDB, that is $set, $inc that is for incrementing, $max, $min, $unset and $multiply. The syntax to use this is a $operator and it takes the object as its value. It includes the field name and the value. Update operators are used to update the values of the field having the data type as string, number, date, boolean, but it is not used to update the any values inside an array. Let us look at updateOne command and one query for it. UpdateOne command should be used whenever a single document has to be updated. Suppose if you have a query to updating the age of a student with the ID 1006 from 25 to 26, the query will be like this. To update the field value, that is age, we have to use a $set operator, which will help us to update the existing field value in a document. The query will be like this: db.studentscollection.updateOne, and it takes the two params, that is a condition and the updating values. So the condition in our case is student ID should be 1006, and the updates that we should be updating the age field value. For that, a $set operator, it takes the object as its a value, and object will have the field name and the value. The field is age and the value to be updated as 26. Okay, let's write the query to update the age field of the student ID 1006. Before updating the age, let's check what is the age of that student. Here you can see the age is 25. We have to update it to 26. For that, let's write the query db.studentscollection.updateOne command. It takes two params, that is one condition and the options. The condition in our case is a student ID, that is 1006. It should be 1006. And to update the field value, we will be using the $set operator. $set, it takes object as a value. The key will be the field name, that is age, and the value should be 26. Just press enter. In the response, you will be seeing one object. If the acknowledge is true, it means the query is executed successfully, and you will be seeing the matched count and modified count. We have the matched count as 1 and modified also 1. Let's check the age of the student now. Here you can see the student age is updated to 26. In the same way, you can update any field of a document using the set operator. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribing to my channel.